You probably won't believe it. Behind these dazzling retro neon lights lies the refined craftsmanship honed by artisans over many years, along with the sweat from countless days and nights of hard work. First, the master will create a template design based on customer requests, using a computer to draw it out and print it. Then they flip the blueprint over and trace it in bold strokes, because the lettering for this type of sign must be created in reverse, while also marking the circuit pathways and the connection points between the tubes. Next comes a critical step: choosing the color of the neon light, since rare earth elements applied to the tubes can create a variety of colors. Once the colors are decided, they grind the rare earth powders in ceramic pots. This grinding process takes about 2 days. After achieving a fine consistency, they mix it with acetone into a liquid, then pour it out and filter it, removing impurities and any larger rare earth particles. Next, they place the glass tubes into the mixture, drawing air from the top so that the inner walls are fully coated. After the coating completely dries, they use ultraviolet light to check if the colors match. Then they move on to making the electrodes, using a torch to insert the electrodes into the cut glass tubes, fusing them firmly into place and sealing them, making it easier for the next steps of assembly. They then set the tubes into ashes to cool slowly to prevent collapsing. Once cooled, they insert a strip of insulating paper inside the tubes. After that, they lay the tubes over the template to mark the bending points, heating the glass over a flame until it softens, then quickly matching it to the template to bend and form the shapes. For 90-degree bends, they must blow air while bending, to prevent the inner walls from sticking together. When working toward the end of the tube, they attach another electrode, and bend and connect a glass tube according to the design. This added glass tube serves an important purpose. At the narrow point of the small tube, they attach the device and connect it to a power source, instantly lighting it up. This step purges impurities from inside the glass tube. Then they perform a vacuum process while monitoring the light changes. Under vacuum, the temperature rises quickly, which can easily burn out the tube, so they cool it down to around 50 degrees. Then they inject neon gas to ensure a longer lifespan. After filling the gas, they seal it off. Next, they dip the finished tubes into black paint, so that only the desired parts will glow. After the paint dries, they test the entire setup again, and once confirmed there are no problems, they proceed with installation. At this point, the retro neon sign made from glass tubes is complete. So what do you think of their craftsmanship?